You are currently wasting more watts on a dirty chain than you would gain from buying a $2,000 carbon aero wheel set. At 250 watts output, a grimy chain consumes roughly 12 watts in mechanical friction. A properly immersion wax chain reduces that drag to just 4 watts. That 8-watt differential is mathematically larger than the aerodynamic gain from upgrading to deep-section carbon wheels. But here is the engineering trap. Most cyclists choose wet lube for durability. While it works statically, on the road it acts as a magnet for grit, creating an abrasive grinding paste that spikes the coefficient of friction immediately. To understand the magnitude of this loss, look at the kinematics. A standard chain has over 100 links. At a cadence of 90 revolutions per minute, your drivetrain must handle nearly 40,000 distinct articulation events every single minute. This is why immersion waxing is the gold standard. By submerging the chain in molten paraffin, we displace moisture and fill those internal tolerances with a solid lubricant that physically blocks contaminants from entering the critical pin plate interface. Stop buying upgrades until you fix this. Follow this protocol. Immersion wax new chains immediately. Rewax every 300 to 400 kilometers. If you must use drip wax, apply it 12 hours before riding to allow the carrier fluid to fully evaporate. Clean your drivetrain. It is the only free speed that exists.